Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. You already know the gig, love, positivity, beauty, and real life. Let's get right into this video, you guys. I am going to do a soft glam matte kind of editorial, if you will, look for you guys today. It is very simple, it is very easy, and I'm going to be using the new Neutrals Makeup Revolution Pro palette that just came out. This is the one that I gave away. So I just did the damn thing and showed you guys what brushes I used, so I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you at the end. Alright, well, I just did a simple, soft glam look, and it took me about 15 minutes. Did the face, that took another 15 minutes, so in total about 30 minutes, maybe 45, just with touching some things up. But this is something that I would do on the go, and I did use the Revolution Pro Makeup Revolution palette, the new neutrals, and I really like it. And I just wanted to do something really easy, really, I don't know, kind of editorial, I think, you know, and I kept everything all matte from the lips to the blush and the powder and all of that, and just added a little bit of highlight. But I really like it. I did not add lashes because I used brown mascara. I used the LA Girl brown eyeliner, and I also used the CoverGirl Total Tease brown mascara, and that's the only thing that you guys missed. I just put a little bit of this on my under eyes and on the outer corners of my eyes, smudged that out, slapped this on, and just did some finishing touches, and this is the final look. This is more editorial, this is more soft glam, this is more everyday kind of look, and it is whatever you want it to be. It could be a fall look, or it could be a, hey, we're about to jump into spring kind of a look. Do you know what I'm saying? So here it is. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys liked it. I did show you each and every brush that I used, but I will also link them in the description box down below. So that's it for this video, you guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.